Identity is fundamental to Igbo development. And that is why every Igbo child is daily confronted with the questions, onye ka ebu, nwa onye ka ebu, ịmakwa chi gị, ebe ka isi. Here in Ndị Igbo Viva, we are committed to helping Umu Igbo answer these questions as they seek personal and community transformation. 2. Build solidarity. On building solidarity, our forefathers teach us that solidarity is the base of strength. Igwebuike. Strength lies in the realization that community is greater than self. Solidarity fosters the unity and collaboration needed for producing lasting results in your family, your umunna, your community, and other human societies.